We're asked a question here where we have two unknowns. One unknown is the cost of jam per kilo, and the second one is the cost of butter. So I'm going to let my two unknowns be X and Y. And I'm going to write X is the cost of jam per kilogram, and Y is the cost of butter per kilogram. And now I have some information that I'm going to put into equations. So my first one, and let's do this in orange, says there's 3 kilos of jam and 2 kilos of butter, and it costs $29. So therefore I could say 3 kilos of jam plus 2 kilos of butter equals $29. And that's my first equation. The second equation I'll do in green says 6 kilograms of jam and 3 kilograms of butter cost $54. So I'm going to turn that into 6x plus 3y equals $54. And now here I have two equations. Now normally, because I wouldn't be using multicolours, I would number the equations so I can explain what I'm doing. So I have equation 1 and equation 2. And what I'm going to do now is put them into the simultaneous equation solver in your calculator. So if you go into the main area and you go to keyboard and you find this here, which is the two boxes with the squiggly bracket there, we're going to press that. So we're looking for the button that looks like this. You've got a curly bracket and you've got one box and another box, and that's the one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my equations into each of these boxes. So I'm going to write 3x plus 2y equals 29. And I'm going to write 6x plus 3y equals 54. And here are my two equations written in. On this side, in this little box, I'm going to tell the calculator that I want the answers for x and y. So I put x and y as my two variables here with a comma between them. And when I press enter, I get x equals 7 and y equals 4. So what I'm going to write here is x equals 7, y equals 4. And therefore, because I know x is the cost of jam and y is the cost of butter, therefore jam is x, $7 per kilo, and butter is $4 per kilo. And that's how I answer a question like that.